Hi, it's Kauakea, Vesta Mystery School. Wanted to share with you the workbook and some photos of the classes I've been holding. And this is the Vesta Mystery School workbook. It has 8 sections in it. There are all kinds of very simple ways to understand the planets, the 12 zodiac signs, as well as the houses. And then it gives you an opportunity to interpret your chart. You can practice drawing the glyphs so that you learn them, as well as define your chart in order to then get out your astrology cards, lay them out on the actual book, and interpret your own chart. It's got a wonderful coloring book by Lydia Hess that's part of the program, as well as ways to draw your own chart, understand elements and modalities, and planet rulerships. So here are another few photos from the class. Here's my husband and my grandson, Keohi, coloring away. We've made astrology a family affair. The cards, there are 43 4x6 cards, and they come with this beautiful book. And the online course starts on September 10th, and it goes for 8 weeks. And you get the coloring book as well as the cards, and then we Zoom once a week on Thursday mornings. The coloring can be very deep. This is the coloring of Scorpio that I did, and it takes you into a deeper sense of your own chart once you lay the cards out and interpret. It's been a really wonderful experience to help people learn how to read my scribbly messages like that. This is some accolades from people around some of the podcasts I've been making, as well as other ways that I'm sharing astrology with the community to better understand ourselves, to better understand these times we're living in. So if you're interested, the website is vestamysteryschool.com. I'm Kauakea, and I hope you join me with one of my classes. Aloha.